This is Dan Conde, Senior Analyst at the Enterprise Strategy Group. Today, we're going to examine sentiments and what is driving IT complexity. We want to delve into what networks do beyond its core purpose of being a transport and a form of plumbing. We asked 300 IT organizations on the three biggest reasons an IT organization's environment has become more complex. I want to shed light on how it affects two areas that I cover, which are networking and cloud infrastructure. When we ask that question, the top answer at 41% is higher data volumes. That has a direct effect on networking in the cloud. For on-premises infrastructure, you may need to upgrade and modernize networks if the old one is not keeping up. You can do that in many ways. Upgrade from a two-tier networking architecture to a modern leaf-spine architecture, or upgrade to faster speeds such as 25 gig. On the cloud, you can say that it offers the elasticity and capacity that is hard to replicate in a common on-premises infrastructure for storage capacity, analysis, and performance. The increase in a number of types of endpoint devices, coming in at 39%, is a direct connection to networking, with Wi-Fi in particular. We bring more devices, whether phones, tablets, or voice-controlled devices such as Amazon Alexa or Google Home, into offices. Remember that Alexa is not just for homes anymore, as there is an Alexa for Business service, and you can do things like reserve conference rooms or make conference calls. IoT is probably a key contributor, as we have smart locks, lighting devices, and other sensor-based devices that proliferate. That is directly related to the third response, which is the number and types of apps used by employees, coming in at 35%. It is no longer PCs attached by an old-fashioned wired cable. It is the IT-sanctioned apps plus consumers' apps used in business and consumer apps that are repurposed for business use. The fourth one is the need to use both on-premises data center and public cloud providers. That is a direct connection to how networking works, especially in branch offices, where the traditional network backhaul through the central data center needs to be re-examined as more apps connect to SaaS offerings in a public cloud, which means you need a direct connection to the internet and bypass that long route through the data center. And that is one of the key benefits of SD-WAN. I won't go into the rest, but it shows that we are encountering changes, and I mean we are undergoing them right now, and we need to address them. We're not looking backwards and are thinking about catching up to them, but we're experiencing these changes right now. And we need to look forward to understanding what the trends are and meeting them where it will land. It's like the proverbial line of knowing where the puck is going and not where it has been, that the hockey great Wayne Gretzky said.